Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel, and this is your bonus love messages for January 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, and leave the rest. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for commenting me beautiful things. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius all over the world which I need to deliver. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which are important to deliver to my all lovely Aquarius. Okay. Let me see any other message. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. So the first message for you is look at the bigger picture, Aquarius, full moon in Sagittarius. You have to look out at the bigger picture. Okay, look at the bigger picture. The energy is gaining momentum. Time to take time to breathe out. Energy is gaining momentum, and this is the time you have to spend some time out in the nature. Okay, you are very close to achieving your goal. Okay, you are very close to achieving your goal. You have to meditate and contemplate new moon in Pisces. Meditate and contemplate, Aquarius. Then there is work through your fears, new moon and Scorpio. So you have to work on your fears, Aquarius. Okay, work on your fears. Then there is a fairy climax approaches, new moon, full moon in Aries. A fairy climax is getting up, approaches is here. A fairy climax is coming for you. Okay, full moon in Aries. There is an end of a tough cycle approaches, full moon in Capricorn. There is an end of tough cycle which is going to end, Aquarius. All cycles are wrapping up, and there is a new start which is coming for you. There is a new start which is coming for you, and there is a new romantic cycle which is going to begin. New moon in Libra. Okay, a new cycle is coming, Aquarius, a new romantic cycle and a new start which is coming for you. There is an end of old cycle. Beautiful messages from this Moonology deck. And the signs which you may be dealing with are Sagittarius, Pisces, Aries, Scorpio, Libra, and Capricorn. These can be signs which you may be dealing with. Sagittarius, Pisces, Aries, Scorpio, Libra, and Capricorn. So these can be signs which you can be dealing with. Thank you so much, Moonology deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Animal Spirit Oracle deck for my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Give me the messages. What are the messages? What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius all over the world? Any other message? Too many messages. Okay. First message for you is Okay, the first message for you is warp spirit. Sometimes life stings, Aquarius, but it's okay because something is coming very beautiful. So sometimes life stings is the message for you. Then there is wolf spirit. Turn knowledge into wisdom. Turn your knowledge into wisdom. You have a superb knowledge, so turn that knowledge into wisdom. Then there is dragonfly spirit. Truth transcends illusion. There is a lion spirit. Be generous of spirit. Be generous to the spirit. There is a koi fish spirit. There is always enough. Okay, there is always enough. There is a mouse spirit. Tend to small things. Tend to small things. Then there is two very important message: grasshopper spirit and starfish spirit. Take a leap of faith and open to infinite possibilities. Okay, take a leap of faith and open to infinite possibilities. You have to open up to infinite possibilities and take a leap of faith, Aquarius. There is a whale spirit. Trust the great mystery. Trust the great mystery. Squirrel spirit. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. There is canary spirit. Sing your own song. Sing your own song. Dolphin spirit. This and that true. This and that are true. There is a dog spirit. Be loyal to what you love, Aquarius. Then there is seahorse spirit. Watch and wait. Rabbit spirit. Now is a lucky time. Now is a lucky time. So these are the messages from animal spirit. Thank you so much, animal spirit, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Thank you. Let's see what are the messages from numerology deck. Communication is coming towards you, Aquarius. Okay, let's see what are the messages. What are the messages? Any other message? See, I told you communication is coming towards you. Okay. There is a karmic completion which is happening for you, Aquarius. Karmic completion is here. In the main reading also there was a world card and I told you that there is a completion of a cycle which is taking place in you. There is a financial discipline. Okay. And there is a leadership here. So leadership is here. Then again the music and nature is here. So listen to the music. Maybe there is a message in the music and music will help you out in healing. Okay, and that same applies to nature. Spend some time with nature. Nature will give you some kind of messages if there are messages, and nature will help you out in your healing too, and will help you out in grounding your energy, protection in energy. Okay, there is love and there is love partnership which is coming for you. Love and love partnership which is coming for you. There is follow your dreams and self discipline. So follow your dreams, Aquarius. Whatever dreams you are having, follow that dreams, and there is self discipline is indicated for you. There is forgiveness which is required on your part. Okay, and there is communication which is coming for you. Communication, I told you communication is coming towards you. Communication is coming towards you, Aquarius. And the numbers which can be important for you are 3, 6, 8. 3, 6 and 8 can be an important number for you. 3, 6 and 8 can be important number for you. Thank you so much, numerology deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from the quantum oracle deck. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius which I need to deliver all over the world? Any other message? Wow, 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 wow. Okay. So Aquarius, in your consciousness, there is present power, there is great gratitude, okay? Have an attitude of gratitude, say always thank you, and that is present in your consciousness. And there is present power, you can balance your both masculine and feminine side. You have you are very strong right now, okay? Your present power is very strong right now, okay? Maybe there are people around you who is your teacher here. There is a teacher who is around you. Again and again I'm getting the teacher card for you, Aquarius. So there is a teacher here which is trying to teach you, which who will help you out here. And there are some kind of events which are going to happen. Maybe there is a conflict which is going to happen. Do not worry at all, okay? Conflict is going to happen, but it's okay, because there are more beautiful events which are going to happen. There is a creative endeavor which is taking place, okay? There is a creative endeavor, and there is commitment. How beautiful it is, how light, how much light it is, okay? There is a lot of light in this commitment. There is a commitment which is coming here for you. Then there is spirit message, there is ascended masters, there is family, friends and guides. What else you want? What else you want, Aquarius? They are ascended masters with you, which are helping you. There are family, there are friends, there are guides which are with you to guide you out, okay? To help you basically in your energy. You are feeling, you have to keep your courage, okay? Keep your courage with you, Aquarius, okay? Keep your courage. That's the energy which you have to take care of you, okay? Keep your courage with you, and your intention is to take steps, and you're taking steps, okay? That's your intention. So take steps in a forward direction and move in a forward direction. And what is the cycle which is happening in your life right now is transformation. Again and again I'm getting here, you're taking place is transformation. Transformation is happening. That's the cycle which is there in your life. So transformation is taking place. Beautiful messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Okay, so let's see what are the messages. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from spell casting oracle deck. I saw traveling, okay? So traveling can be, some of you Aquarius are going to travel somewhere, or if you're not traveling, it wants to come out, okay? Boundaries, you have to set healthy boundaries around you, Aquarius, as you know that you are getting transformed, okay? So set up healthy boundaries around you. Protect your power, protect your energy, protect yourself. Prosperity is coming for you, okay? Prosperity is coming for you. You're finding yourself here, you're finding yourself, and there is willpower. Beautiful. Willpower is here because you have to keep your willpower, and you're keeping it. That's why you're getting finding here. Wow, new beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. You're finding yourself. Prosperity is coming towards you. You have to set up boundaries, healthy boundaries around you, okay? And there are new beginnings which are coming for you, Aquarius. Any other message? There is manifestation here. Bottom of the deck I'm having good luck, okay? You are doing your manifestation, Aquarius. Maybe some of you Aquarius want clarity in your life, and the clarity is coming for you, and your manifestation is taking place, okay? It's coming true. The manifestation is happening, okay? Some of you Aquarius are doing manifestation. Okay, so thank you so much, Spellcasting Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Fairy of Oracles. Let's add one or two cards from the Fairy of Oracles. What are the messages? Okay. Give me one more card for Aquarius. Okay. First card for you is transformation. See, again the transformation is here. Transformation is here. Today I'm getting 5 or 6 cards of transformation again and again for you, Aquarius. Okay, so transformation is taking place, Aquarius, for you. This fairy tells you to surrender to the transformation in your life that is happening for your highest good. Embrace your transformation. The best is yet to come. Okay, then there is wait for winter. During the colder months of the fairy queen of winter will help you manifest your most heartfelt wishes as long as your intentions are for the highest good for all. Okay, so wait for the winter and transformation is taking place, Aquarius. Okay, thank you so much, fairy, so giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck. Okay, some kind of celebration is coming for you. Okay, let me see what are the messages. Any other message? Okay. You need to keep your strength, Aquarius. Can you see here it is written star? So this card is for you. You need to keep your strength, and hope is here. So hope is coming for you. Keep your hope, keep your strength with you, Aquarius. Okay, keep your strength, keep your patience, keep your hope with you, because hope is coming for you. Then there is grace and there is freedom. Okay, so you becoming more graceful than before, and the freedom is coming for you becoming freedom. Okay, so freedom is coming for you. Harmony and gentleness. So harmony is coming for you. There are harmony which is coming in the future, and there is gentleness. Then there is reflection here. Okay, so these are the messages from Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck. Thank you so much, Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from Self Care card. Give me the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Okay, the first card for you is progress. Charge forward, Aquarius. Be willing to make mistakes. Okay, be willing to make mistakes. Then there is silence. Rest your mind. Silence is a good self-care. Okay, so silence your mind, Aquarius. Rest your mind. Then there is rest again. Rest and relax. Release guilt and make your needs a top priority. Okay, make your needs a top priority. Then there is passion. Reassured a childhood dream. Let your passions take flight. Use your passions, Aquarius. Maybe there you are full of passionate things are having inside of you. So choose your passions. Okay. Then there is awareness. Practice present moment awareness. The meaning you yearn for lives is okay, the meaning you yearn for lives in the ever present now. So live in the present, practice present moment awareness. That's the message I'm getting for you from the self-care cards. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from your guides. Okay, please help me out, guides, to give the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius for January 2021. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? What are the messages? Okay. Okay, so understand your body. Your body may be trying to give you some kind of message, Aquarius. So listen to the message of your body. Then there is let go of ego. Let go of any kind of ego which you are having, maybe. So let go of ego. Then there is worry is a wasted emotions. That's right. Do not worry at all. Worry is a wasted emotions. Then there is set your intentions, and there is kindness count. Okay, so these are the messages. Any other message? You are here for a reason, Aquarius. That's right, you are here for a reason. So you have a soul purpose, you are here for a reason. So that's very true. That's what the guides want to tell you. And your beliefs are right for you. Okay, your beliefs are right for you. Calm is not a weakness. Okay, calm is not a weakness. Patience is a virtue, and everyone has a value. Okay, there is learn from your mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. So these are the messages from the guides. Thank you so much, guides, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages for what are the messages from the universe. Okay, and then I'm closing out your reading. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Please help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? What are the messages? Okay. Okay. Convince yourself, Aquarius, not others. That's the message I'm getting for you from the universe. You have to convince yourself. Do not convince others. Okay. Then there is everyone is doing their best. Okay, everyone is doing their best. Dwell on what you love. Dwell on what you love. You have what it takes. You have what it takes. Create space for a new love. Aquarius, you have to create a space for new loves. Okay, so create space for new love. You are being watched by loving eyes. These are the messages from universe. Okay, so you are being watched by loving eyes of universe. So do not worry at all. Then there is love does not have to be being near. Some are better loved at a distance. Okay, so that's the message here. Then there is earlier disappointments were just rehearsal for the great stuff which are coming for you. Okay, so that was just a rehearsal, because better things and best things, great stuffs are coming for you, Aquarius. That was just earlier disappointments were just a rehearsals for the great stuff which are coming for you. So these are the messages from the universe. Thank you so much, universe, for giving the message to my lovely Aquarius. I hope it helped you out in some manner, Aquarius. These were your bonus love messages for January 2021. Sending you lots of love and light to each of you, Aquarius, all over the world. Take care of yourself and see you soon.